Welcome back. It has been a minute. Like, it has been probably a full year now. It has been quite some time since I have hopped in front of a horizontal camera and just sat here and filmed. So we're getting back into long form video. Got a lot of life updates. So basically what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take it back old school. I am going to do a real quick lip combo. Ordered a viral product from Amazon. It is the WavyTalk thermal brush, and we're gonna give ourselves an at-home blowout. But I'm also gonna walk you through like what is going on in my life, because a lot has happened in the last 12 months. Like a lot. I'm trying to think of what my last video even was. I'm gonna look it up. My last video, I'm trying to think if we had even moved into our house officially yet. I literally got like half my lip liner on. My last long form video was taking the life of a content creator and taught their mom. And no, I believe at the time, let me like scroll through here and see me like, yep, no. We hadn't even moved into our new house yet. So, welcome to our new house. We've been here since last February, so like a year and a half now, which is crazy. We had to rehome our dogs because we found out our son is allergic to dogs, so no more dogs in our family. We attempted to adopt a hypoallergenic golden doodle, and that golden doodle ended up shedding a little bit and ended up not even like curling up like a golden doodle. She had a straight fur, absolutely precious. Paid for her, brought her home, bought all the stuff to keep this dog, and then about a week into it, our son had an allergic reaction, broke out, and ended up being fully allergic to him. So then I decided to go back to teaching. Thought I would do one more year of that. Did not work out. It was one of those that I was like, I quit for a reason. I didn't want to go back for a reason. And I almost said no to this job for the reason that I ended up quitting. And now this is me. This is me full time. Also, 22 weeks pregnant with baby number 2. There's no way I could go back to work now. Plus some other things that I can't really speak about yet. But I have 2 events coming up next week, which I will be vlogging both of those. So I thought, okay, why not just ease back into the whole YouTube thing and go back to where it all started, and that being one for me personally, Amazon, and just YouTube in general. I feel like if you were not a child, like, and you watched YouTube back in like 2010s era where everyone was doing makeup looks, hair looks, DIYs, that kind of YouTube, like everything was a tutorial. If you didn't know how to do something, you YouTubed it. I feel like, of course, that's where TikTok has really come through and with the short form videos and stuff, but there's something about a long form video and a vlog that I still just love and gravitate towards. So we're taking it back old school. We are going to try out the WavyTalk thermal blowout brush for the first time together, because I love these types of videos, and then you can get an honest review and feedback in real time. Obviously, like with edits and stuff, but that's only to really edit out my ums and uhs and pauses and bloopies type stuff. So I also need to film. See, this is the hard part about content creation right now. Like, I need to set up my phone and film this for TikTok and Instagram as well. So we're gonna be multitasking if I can. Hopefully we can figure that out, but this is my life now. Full-time content creator, finally bit the bullet, and here we are. And with that, next week I am headed to I don't even know if I can talk about it. I am going to the Road pop-up in Dallas. That is public, like that I can talk to y'all about, and I will be vlogging that whole ordeal. But I got invited by a brand to go to one of their pop-ups that's completely exclusive to creators because they haven't officially opened up their location yet. So after I go and then post about it, you guys will see, but stay tuned for that. 2 events, 2 pop-ups one exclusive, one public, and 1 week. So I'm just like, we are starting off this summer as a full-time creator very, very strong. Super excited. Also, latest obsession. There was a lot of controversy over probiotic drinks during pregnancy, and I mean, I guess I can see why, just because they're newer and there's not a lot of studies. But I got this app on my phone called the Doula. Just like pop it up right here. Not sponsored. I'm like literally just nonchalantly holding the cord, but took a picture of the ingredients, said it was fine. There's no caffeine in it. It's naturally sweetened with juices and stevia leaf. So I don't know. I crave soda when I'm pregnant, but don't want to drink a sugary drink and don't want to drink diet drinks because of aspartame, and like I just would rather stay away from those. And these are them. I'm obsessed. This flavor, the strawberry cream, is really good. The Shirley Temple one, so good. I still need to try the root beer float one as well. I've heard really good things about that. The cord isn't very long, so we're gonna see how this works. Look at my baby bump. 22 weeks, y'all. Baby number 2 really comes out. And these stretchy pants from Amazon are not maternity, but have been a complete lifesaver now that I'm growing and stretching and can't wear regular pants. It's really nice because I know I can wear these postpartum and even like once I get my pre-baby body back, because your girl has been doing Pilates. Also, another update, I'm going through Pilates instructor training. So not only will I be creating content full time, but I will also be teaching Pilates here hopefully after I have my baby. Baby is due in October. Obviously gonna take some time off, and then after that, hopefully come January, February, start teaching classes. So yay to that. Literally big life changes. We're here for it. All right, let's get into what you're really here for. Okay, I am just going to brush my hair out. I honestly shouldn't even look at the camera and just like go through this like I typically would. I washed my hair, oh gosh, last night, and it's super shiny. I have been using the, I think it's a L'Oreal, it's in a pink bottle, whatever this is on the screen. The thing for me is the leave-in gloss literally has made my hair shine. And this was like something I started using before pregnancy. Everyone's like, oh, your hair has that pregnancy shine and glow. I'm like, no, my hair is literally falling out. It's been falling out since the first trimester. My hair is actually like super thin compared to what it typically is. My hair has seen much, much better days. But I will say the, like, look at this, watch. You can see, I don't know if you can tell that there's hair just hanging out on my shirt, but I just like pulled out some more. Like just, I'm shedding. Oh wow, like a dog. I don't know if you can see that, just hanging around, but every time I brush my hair, I try not to brush my hair too much right now, but it's all in the product. It has nothing to do with me being pregnant, but I am gonna go in, so Tresemme, this is just a few of the things that they sent me. Like I said, I just need to get on here and show y'all things. They sent me those, they sent me these hair perfumes, which smells really good. I have a styling stick, like a wax stick basically. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Okay, you get the point. They sent me some stuff. But the only thing that I didn't get was like a volumizing mousse, which I love to use for a blowout. So we are going to be using the Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer, which they actually sent me this as well. So other than honestly my brush and my thermal brush, like my regular brush, my thermal brush, this was all gifted. So that is very, very nice. It's not sponsored, but it was gifted and I use these things. So we're gonna put this kind of in the roots just to give myself some volume. I don't want to put it throughout my whole head. I might, just to give it some texture. But I do have some dry texture spray, the shine spray, 100% using this afterwards. And then this is just an all-in-one prep and style. My hair is literally everywhere. Shake bottle and lightly mist into sections of damp towel dry haired. What did I just say? Haired? Anyways, it's to help with heat. You don't use these thermal brushes on wet hair, but I use it because it smells good, honestly. And it adds shine, and I think it does protect from heat. I have a heat protectant, but I was trying to use products that were gifted just to test them out for you. I say test them out. I've been using these Tresemme. Actually, I've been using all of these hair products for a while now, but needed a chance to go over it. This though, y'all saw come right out of the box, which I need to unbox for Instagram too, so hold on. And I am trying to do all of this before little man wakes up from his nap. We've got like an hour window to film, and we'll edit tonight when he goes to bed. Because you can see my pants in this video and you can't in this one. Oh, y'all are seeing real time what it's like to film, because sometimes it's just, sometimes you just hate to see yourself on camera. So don't worry, influencers and content creators go through that too. Like, we get tired of seeing ourselves sometimes and we're like, maybe today's not our day. Should I put new earrings in, or would that be distracting? I think about these things when I film. Like, that's why I'm just wearing like a basic top, so the focus is on my hair. But at the same time, it's like, sometimes the jewelry just makes the video look more luxe. We'll BRB. My hair is all in my lip gloss. It's the worst sensory feeling ever. I hope this is as good as they say online, because like first initial reaction is this part is really cheap. Like, the bristles don't seem very strong. They're not very long. And then I have no idea what these little plastic pieces are. Everything I've seen online, like, okay, for some reason in my head, I was thinking like a blow dryer was gonna be loud. It's literally just a heated brush. The more you know. Like, let me know in the comments below. Did you think that this was a blow dryer? Just like the Dyson or the Shark? Because that's what I thought. It heats up fast. Just from us talking, it's already at like 300 degrees. Pricey. Okay, now I don't know where to set it. Okay, well, it's hot and there's nothing to like prop it up. There's that. Hoping it doesn't burn my vanity. I'm being that annoying person and I'm tap tapping. Never fails that my husband calls me during my videos. Okay. Okay.
I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you.
I'm gonna try leaving it here just to see like if this makes a difference, because it's like it's curling. But I think I need to leave it here a minute and then bring it down, almost like heat rollers. There we go. Oh yeah, figuring it out as I go. Okay, I paused the Instagram reel for a second so I could chat with you guys, but so far I'm kind of learning as I go, because like I said, I wasn't expecting this to be just a heated brush. I don't know why. I mean, obviously thermal brush, but when I'm thinking blowout, I think of hair dryer. So I'm like, if I hold it here for a little bit, almost like a heat roller, obviously it makes the curl curlier, but I was getting a little frustrated because I was like, okay, some of these curls look great, some of them don't. But I'm kind of learning as I go, and it's tricky, but I do like it. I want to see how long the curls last, because I will say that has been my biggest tiff with my Shark. I wanted to love the Shark so much, and I like posted videos and was like, oh, I'm so excited. I love the way the curls came out. And then I was like, they just fall right out. A lot of it has to do with your hair and the density of your hair and the texture of your hair. I have a lot of hair, but it's fine and silky. It's very soft. And so my curls stay, but with the Shark, it just falls right out. Like, I have to drown it in mousse to keep it to stay. And I'm sure I probably should have put mousse in here instead of all the silky sprays that I put in my hair, but we're just testing her out. So I'm probably just gonna zip through this really quick so I can film my reel. Like, I'll have y'all watch it, but I'm like sweating. Trying to go back and forth, and my husband called me and said he was on his way home. Like, this never fails. I always will have some sort of interruption while I'm filming. So we're gonna like do the best we can to get through both of these before we have any more interruptions. So
something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace.
Oh, okay, we're gonna go in with some dry texture spray. Okay, that's all I got in me for now. My kiddo just woke up, but overall, I'd say this looks like a blowout. Like, I went to the salon. It's silky, it's smooth, it's curled. It's not super tight, which I think will come with practice, but overall, I think we're pretty good. I will link everything I used in the description down below. Did not get this off TikTok shop. I got it off of Amazon. Shipping was much faster. It literally came the next morning. Sometimes you can get these same day if you order them quick enough. If you don't love it, return it. Amazon has free returns. So I will continue to play with that, perfect it, and then whatever tips and tricks I find out, I will share with you guys. So here's to being back on YouTube, being a full-time creator, being a mama of 2 kids, stay-at-home mom, wife, content creator, Pilates instructor, all the new life things. So love you guys. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next week in my vlog because we are going places. Fun stuff coming soon. Love you guys.
But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.